Hello everyone! We're going to learn again the exposition of divine principle. So we are now in 2.3, the four-position foundation, which realizes the three-object purpose through origin, division, union, action. So the process in which out of God, the origin two entities are separately manifested and reunited in oneness is called origin, division, union, action. So, about three object purpose, any of the four position resulting from the origin, division, union, action, namely the origin subject partner and object partner and the union. May assume the position of subject partner and engage the three as object partners, forming a communion of three object partners. Okay. So when each of the four acts as the subject partners and enters into give and take with the other three, they fulfill the three object purpose. So the last of our topic today about the explanation of the four position foundation. So when the origin, the subject partner and object partner, projected from the origin and their union, all fulfilled the three object purpose, the four position foundation is established. So this foundation is root of the principle, number one, the principle of three stages, because it involves three stages of God: husband, wife, and children. So number two, root of the number 12. So 4, foundation, time is 3 equals 12. So root of the number 12. It involves three stages of God: husband and wife and children. So 4, 4, 4, 4. So number 3, fundamental foundation of goodness and realization of God's purpose of creation. And so the four position foundation is God's eternal purpose of creation. So this is all for today. Bye everyone.